popularity is increasing more and more and more. They're announcing a whole new generation of new workshops.
Oh, I think so. It's all like moving through machines. I thought something was going to disappear completely. But it sort of did from here. It's still out there. So yeah, it makes me very happy.
阿寶話：希望未來能夠向更多人分享佢嘅收藏，甚至打造成一間彈珠機博物館。
But hopefully I open it up to the public. That is my idea of role and has been right from the start. It's a dream in the pipeline.
無線電視記者馮興會報導。
瑞士酒吧元旦大火，釀成最少40死，超過100人傷。當局刑事調查兩個部分人。檢察官話，涉事星座酒吧兩個部分人係一對法國夫婦，佢哋涉嫌過失殺人、過失縱火同過失導致他人受傷。當局對兩人展開刑事調查，並喺星期六確認其中8個罹難者嘅身份，年齡介乎16至24歲。有工人話，由於部分人嚴重燒傷，導致識別身份嘅工作進展緩慢。位於瑞士南部滑雪勝地嘅星座酒吧喺上星期四大火，當局懷疑部分人手持天花棒燒着天花板，並追查近1年係唔係符合安全規定。天氣方面，預測晚間部分時間多雲，聽日大致天晴，市區最低氣溫約15度，新界再低2-3度，日間乾燥，最高氣溫約22度。展望隨後2-3日，朝早市區最低氣溫喺12-13度左右，新界會再低多幾度。天晴同非常乾燥，日夜溫差頗大。